Okay, so I took a trip to United States. I'm at home. I'm on a journey. Today I wanted to stop by this place that I am at. I am in Rutland, Vermont, and I wanted to talk to you about how I have been, being able to have my freedom and how I do my work and how I earn my income online. Because now I'm teaching other people to do that. So I'm here in Rutland right now. I'm going to show you a place that I hang out and do my work. Now that I'm here at the Yellow Deli, so come inside and we'll have a look. Okay, so we are here at the Yellow Deli in Rutland, Vermont, and in this video I wanted to pitch a course for you because if you have been seeing one of my previous videos, I always talk about methods to break out, be free, and that implies both body and mind and spirit. One of the most popular ways now for people is to break out of the system when it comes to education and work, because not everybody likes their job and a lot of people struggle with school. I'm telling people that there are better methods to do something you love and even make an income from that. And one of my main methods for many years now have been web design, because the work is so easily available and you can teach yourself. And one of the main methods for me some years ago, it turned out to be that I became a Shopify expert. Shopify is a Canadian company making e-commerce stores, and you can become a Shopify partner, and you can kind of in a way work for them, and you can also start to earn passive income. $800 monthly is coming into my PayPal account, which I do not do any work for. So that's true passive income. So that's one of my methods. Besides that, I keep getting work from different clients that I do. Now I want to teach other people how they can become a Shopify expert, because it's really growing. There's a lot of work to get out there. There's a lot of merchants starting e-commerce stores, and they need help with their setup. Sometimes they're coding, and all kinds of help with technical help, or even in just promotional advice and social media advice for the store. Well, I get a lot of questions from people asking me how do I make my income. And I decided many years ago that I did not want to keep my shit job that I had. My last employee job was at a local hotel. I was there for 5.5 years. Started doing web design full time, plus other stuff. It's been working really well. And but I have to say, if it wasn't for Shopify.com, Shopify the company, I wouldn't have this much passive income and also so much general client work, web design work for Shopify as I do. I'm more into mentoring and coaching other people how to upgrade and change their lives. And people are looking for another way to make a living and to have the freedom. And I just know that Shopify is one of the greatest methods to do that now. So if you have some technical skills if you love to work with social media, if you already are a web designer maybe, getting into Shopify is something I really recommend, because it's so much easier to get work coming to you. Okay, so my course is to be found at podia.com. It's called the Shopify Expert Master Plan, and I'm showing you everything you need to do and all the steps it takes to become, first of all, a Shopify partner, and to move you on to become a Shopify expert, because that's when work will start to come to you. So when you become a Shopify expert, you will be listed at shopify.com, the marketplace, and the clients will just reach out to you for help, for all kinds of stuff. I'm all about self-education. Teach yourself the stuff you need to learn to be able to do what you would like to do, and maybe even make a living out of that. So my course is available. It's cheap. It's a small investment compared to probably the first payment you will get from one of your first clients when you work with Shopify. But you know, in my coaching, when I talk about this with people around me to try to find solutions for them, there are different things that I usually help them with. I have one example, by the way. Right now I'm having a coaching with a lady from Serbia. You know, that's not really an easy country to live in, and she have a dream. She's been educating herself in sound design as a sound editor. There's no work for her to get in that country. So she's been on to my coaching program for 4 months now. And what we have done there is that we looked at other opportunities and other things for her to do that's connected to something that has to do with audio. So she will now become a podcast advisor. She helps people start a new podcast, and that includes helping people find right equipment, different platforms, and she can even help edit the sound and really improve the sound quality of the podcast and do the publishing for them. So we created a platform for that, set up a brand new website, create a payment system, and all this, you know, the cost of that is so small, so tiny that everybody can do that. In this course on podia.com, the Shopify Expert Master Plan, I also talk about other tips and advice that I share with the ways that I've been working with customers around the world. How to get paid, how to get yourself a debit card so you can spend the money, and other advice of tools and systems that I use to make sure that I'm having fun with the work I do. Okay, so if you really think that you would like to create for yourself another stream of income, create your own salary, and you would enjoy just to copy what I've done, it's been working really well for me, and create passive income for yourself, I would recommend you to go and check out my course, sign up for that. I'll provide the link below in the description here, and you can go to my website. When you sign up for my course, an account on podia.com will be created for you automatically. So subscribe to my channel if you would like some more videos on how to reach a level of self-mastery, as I talk a lot about, which is related to body, mind and spirit. And sometimes I do create some videos to help people break out of the system, like, you know, shitty jobs and bad education, because I'm telling people that there are so many methods now to create your own salary by self-educating and create some kind of income for yourself. Catch you later in my next video. Stay strong.